So here's another familiar group, the plants, or archaeoplastids. I should pull this down so I can point at it. So here are the plants themselves, the chlorophytes, that includes the green algae. Excuse me, down here, the caryophytes, the green algae. There are also the red algae. There are the glaucophytes, and those are probably the ones that are familiar. The ovophytes you may know something about. This is sea lettuce. You see it sometimes out washing up in the ocean. And then some other things that you probably have never heard of. So here's the green plants and green algae are the ones that contain, chlorophyll A. They are mostly either unicellular or colonial. It's just the one group that has become truly multicellular. This is turtle grass. This is a familiar plant. It's an interesting species. As far as I know, the only flowering plant that lives underwater. There are actually flowers in the water. Let's see. The rhodophytes. These are red algae. Red algae aren't usually unicellular. They're usually colonial. They're really common in marine environments. And you see this kind of stuff all the time, right, in the ocean, or along the tidal flats and that sort of thing. This particular one is Irish moss. This is where carrageenan comes from. If you look in the ingredients of almost anything you eat, it's got carrageenan in it. It's an emulsifier. It's like agar. This also is dimorphic. You can see that the cells over, the colonial masses over here are different than the ones here. And this is an a haploid diploid thing as well. People eat this stuff all the time. If you go down to the islands, people harvest it and make milkshakes and stuff out of it. It's really awful. The glaucophytes I won't get into so much. The interesting thing about glaucophytes is that the mitochondria look more than any other mitochondria like their alpha proteobacterial ancestry. So when you sequence the genome, it looks remarkably bacterial, and there's just a lot of stuff in that genome that isn't in the genomes of most mitochondria. I think I've asked this question before, but have any of you had any experience learned anything about mitochondrial genetics in mammals? It's a total nightmare. It really is. It's weird beyond belief. And it's not the worst of the lot.